Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, I am at Chris's house. We are gonna carpool down to our dredge claim. He's got his trailer nice and full. Say hi, Chris. So, we're gonna get on the road because we have hours of driving, and we'll see you down there. Let's go. All right, we've made it to camp. Let me show you around. So I got my tent and canopy set up. There's Aaron. Aaron is set up right down there. We got Chris right over here with his setup. And then we're gonna have our fire right over there. We're about to head back down to where we're doing our dredging. We just came up here and got everything set up. I've got my dredge right here. We're gonna take it down and get it into place. Aaron's already found some nice chunky gold. So we need to get in the water and get our own. Let's go. All right guys, so we're doing some preliminary prospecting. I've got the Gold Finder 2000 and I had a target right here and I think we got it in the pan. So let's pan that out and see what we got.
Got it?
Well, I found the target.
Oh yeah?
All right, well, I found the target. Piece of lead. All right, so we got our first few little pieces of gold. It was with a little BB that we found, but found some. Just a couple little pieces from on top of some bedrock. So let's keep looking. I know you can see that one. Woo! Okay, so I found that little nugget on bedrock, worked around that area, but didn't really find anything else. So we're gonna head back to camp because we wanna get our dredges set up where we're gonna dredge. So let's head down there and see what we got. All right, so we're losing light. We got my dredge set up. You guys can see, I got my main line. Only issue is, need to make a dam tomorrow to raise up this water so I have enough water to prime my pump. Chris, there's Aaron, he got some nice gold today. Chris has got his set up here. He's gonna keep working his hole. I'm set up here, and I'm gonna be working over here, and we're gonna work towards each other, taking out this hill right here. So hopefully, we'll just follow that bedrock through and find some good gold. But the first job tomorrow, make a dam. It'll be like being a kid again. So, time to head back to camp, have some dinner, and gold mine in the morning. Okay, we're down at the creek. We got the dredge set up. We just need to get into prospector mode. Let's go. ran to the store. All right, so you guys can see this bedrock is trending downwards like that, and I've been following it down to about shoulder depth, and let's see what came out of the top mat. So this is just from the top mat, and there is some nice chunky pieces in there, but I was hoping to see more in the crash box than that. So we're gonna do a speed pan on the cons and see how that spot is doing. I'm either gonna stay on this spot and see if that bedrock ledge continues this direction, or we'll explore around and see what else we can find. But I've already put a bunch of work into this spot, so I might just follow that bedrock. Can you see the excitement in my face? Went to start the motor, pull string brakes. Luckily, Chris has a replacement. So we're gonna fix this up. Chris is actually gonna use my dredge, the Vegas hooker, to work on this hole over here, and since he has a smaller area to work with, he wanted to use the 3-inch, which means we're going to use the 4-inch in the morning. So we're actually going to finish off the hole that he's been working on, because he said he really wanted to get down here and do this, and I can't say no to working a 4-inch. So we're going to get this fixed and then head back to camp. See you in a minute.
Handles to make pull cords.
Make a handle out of anything. Yeah. I could bore a hole in a stick here. Alright. Let's give it a quick test here. Looks like we still got prime.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Hold that ready. All right, we have prime. Motor is on. Choke is on. So it's the next day. We have some nice weather. We're gonna get Chris's dredge oiled up. He's gonna run mine down there, and I'm gonna run his right there. So I'm convinced the 4-inch is really nice. We've got some little pieces showing up in the mat. There's a little piece right there. We got the rest of the mat to clean out. We're gonna do a quick cleanup and see what's in the top mat. All right, so I did a quick pan back, but that is the gold we got from about an hour and a half of running with the 4-inch. We still got to clean up the rest of the mat, but that's looking pretty nice.
Could I see?
we're gonna go get some lunch and we'll be back. Okay guys, end of day 2. My sciatica has decided that it wants to pop back up, so I'm done for the day. Probably do some panning tomorrow, but I'm gonna work through the pain for the next couple of hours, get everything staged up on the road so we can load it up. You guys can see we got the 4-inch dredge. I was dredging up here. Found some gold, but when I started to see the gold going down, I decided to stop. Plus, what energy I have, I need to get the equipment out of here. I need to help Chris get my dredge out of here. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. And good morning, everybody. So we got up this morning, had some breakfast, packed up camp, and now we've come upriver a little bit. My sciatica is really killing me. I can hardly walk right now, but I could not leave without doing a little bit more panning. We do have some nice gold from the boxes, but we've got the metal detector, so we're gonna scan around and see if we can find any targets, and let's see what we can find. Alright, so we just worked on this hole. Ooh, I'm seeing gold. There we go. A couple decent little pieces. All right, so we're gonna keep working this spot for a minute. Let's get those sucked up. All right, we found some gold. Let's keep looking. All right, guys, so I hit a few more spots, found a little bit more gold, but not enough to keep me here for the day. I want to get home and give my back a rest. So if you follow me on TikTok, you'll get to see the cleanup. If not, you'll see me back at the house in 3, 2, and 1. So we're back at the house. I actually haven't ran my material yet, so we have the 3-inch dredge concentrates right there, and we've got the 4-inch concentrates right there. Now I concentrated those down to an 1/8 inch and I separated out the 1/2 inch first. I did not find anything in the 1/8 inch plus from the 3-inch, but let me show you what I just found in here. I just saw it, so I ran out and grabbed the camera. There it is. Look at that. That is a beautiful nugget. Let's get that out. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's rough too. I can see a little folded over edge. I am gonna have to get out my other camera and take some photos of this, and I will overlay that right here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. So we need to run the concentrates through the gold cube, so that's what I'm gonna do next, and I'll include some footage from that. So let's move on to the gold cube. So I didn't include any gold cube, but if you guys follow me on TikTok, you got to see the cleanup and you got to see me find that little nugget live on TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on there, head over there right now and follow me. But we found some nice gold, so let's head inside and take a look. All right, so this is the gold all dried out. Got that nice little nugget right there. But I want to see how much this stuff weighs all together. Let's get it on the scale. All right, guys, I got the gold all dried out. Let's see how much it weighs. All right, guys, let's see how much it weighs. .77. Not too bad. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that amount. You know, it's less than a gram, but it's more than I had before. That dredge was awesome to run. Thank you, Chris, for letting me run the 4. Now I want a 4-inch, but I really like some of the stuff that I'm working on right now. I'm working on a small Keen high banker and this larger 12-inch high banker. So we're gonna have some fun with that here soon. So if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe down below, and hit that bell notification so you know when I put out more content. We've got a lot of fun things going on this summer, so I'll see you then. Bye.